Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on always on display on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you don't know what always on display is, so always on display is basically a feature that can display the time or short notification when the screen is off. And how to turn on always on display is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then now you can scroll down and go to lock screen and AOD or always on display. And then here now you can activate always on display. And then so yeah, let's see the result. Now I will turn off the screen and you can click, and then here the always on display is. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on always on display, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.